Are you tired of working a 9 to 5 job and only earning a little amount for the work that you put in? Do you want to earn money passively at the comfort of your home? Then you should watch this video. You only need to do minimal work and the rest will be done by other people. You do not need an investment to make a start because this method that we will show you on how to earn money is 100% free. You also do not need any experience or technical expertise. You can quit your job and do this instead and watch as your bank goes larger and larger in value. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. In today's video, the website we will be using is Fiverr. As we all know, Fiverr is a famous website for freelancers to find jobs. It can be any job such as logo design, WordPress, voiceovers, video explainers, social media marketing, and many more. This website is trusted by big brands such as Facebook, Google, Netflix, P&G, and PayPal. There are different features in this website that caters to both freelancers and customers. However, in this video, we will not be applying as a freelancer on this website. We will not be doing all the hard work. We will not be posting any jobs, and we will not be finding any customers. What we're going to show you is how to become a Fiverr affiliate. If we scroll down at the bottom of the page and look at the community section, we will discover an option for affiliates. We should click this option, and we will be directed to a different page for Fiverr affiliates. Being a Fiverr affiliate means that you can promote different freelancers to people that need their services. And once you have successfully referred them, you will gain a commission. You can earn up to $1,000 for just referring freelancers. Easy, right? The benefits of being a Fiverr affiliate are maximum earnings. Get paid for every first-time buyer with no referral limit and a lifetime attribution, meaning you can refer as many times as you want and get paid doing it. Professional support. Gain access to professional support, tutorials, and a dedicated affiliate manager. Intuitive dashboards. Easy-to-use dashboards to launch, manage, and monitor campaigns. Creative resources. A portfolio of high-performing creative assets to help you promote. This website is used by 5.5 million users in over 160 countries daily. So referring freelancers here for the services that they do will be a piece of cake. If we scroll down to this section right here and click on See Commissions, you can see the different types of commissions that you can get as an affiliate. Fiverr has two types of commission plans. First is the Fiverr CPA, and the second is Fiverr Hybrid. Being a Fiverr CPA means that you can earn up to $15 to $150 depending on what services people will avail of. If you scroll down, you can see how much you can earn as a Fiverr CPA depending on the service. For example, referring people to Fiverr Pro services. You can see that there are many Fiverr Pro freelancers that post their services and most of them charge a high amount of money to avail of their service. The reason why they are expensive is because they are verified professionals. So you do not need to wonder about the quality of their services because they only give the best quality. If you look here, this person's service starts at $400. If you refer a person to this service and they avail of it, you automatically get $150 for the first buyer. The money that you can earn as a Fiverr CPA will depend on the services that you refer to. If you scroll down below, you can see specific categories of services and how much money you can earn if you successfully refer them. For example, if you refer services for industrial and product design, data science, mobile apps, and e-commerce development, you can earn $50. If you refer services such as website builder, lyric and music videos, web programming, data processing, architecture design, and game development, you can earn $40. The list goes on, and the lowest money you can earn as a Fiverr CPA is $15. So you can plan on what services you want to promote to maximize your earnings. One tip we will give you is to focus on Fiverr Pro services so that when someone avails of Fiverr Pro services, you can have $150 automatically. The next commission plan is for a Fiverr Hybrid. Being a Fiverr Hybrid affiliate means that you can only get $10 per successful referral. However, if the person that you refer to will avail other services on the website within the year, then you can earn $10 of what that person paid for. Let's say you get paid $10 for the referral that you made. And when that person avails of the services again after days, weeks, or months, you will earn 10% of the rate of the service. For example, they avail of this service, then you get $10. And on the next day, they choose another service. Let's say this Fiverr Pro service. You now get 10% commission. You will earn passively. Those are the two types of commission plans, and if you ask us, the better commission plan that you can choose is Fiverr CPA, because you can automatically get $150 for every successful referral. This is where we will be focusing on today. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So to start as a Fiverr affiliate, you just need to go to affiliates.fiverr.com, and at the upper right section, there will be a Join Now button. Just click on this and fill out this form. You just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and other basic things in here. For the account type, you just pick private since you will be using this account personally. Once you fill that all up, click Next, and you are now a Fiverr affiliate. Now, to promote the services on this website, we need to go to a website called reddit.com. Reddit.com is a free forum that basically has every topic and question that you can think of. On this website, there are people asking for different types of services like, where can I find a logo designer? Where can I find a website designer? All you have to do is go to the search bar right here. Let's say we search for where to make a logo. And if we see the search results, there are tons of people asking these types of questions. And the next thing we do is find a potential buyer. There are many people asking about where to find different types of services. You just have to choose any of these posts and make a comment by putting the affiliate link for the services. Now we go back to Fiverr, and we can just choose any of the services under Fiverr Pro and link that service to the Reddit post. For example, we choose this service from this freelancer. We can see the ratings of their service, and we can also see that freelancer is top-rated seller, meaning that they have completed at least 100 orders with almost 5-star ratings. Now we just copy the link and comment on the Reddit post. Easy, right? We just repeat the process each day, and you can earn money just by doing this. You can do this not just on Reddit, but on other forums too. Another example of a forum is graphicdesignforum.com. This website talks about everything about graphics design. You can find a potential client right here and refer them to graphic design services on Fiverr. Just search for people who are searching for specific services, choose one, refer them to the service on Fiverr, and you can earn money. Even if only one person decides to avail of the service, you can still have $150 for the day. Now, this is a very simple method on how you can earn money without actually doing any work. This method is 100% free and can be done by anyone. What are you waiting for? You can start right now. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.